Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Copilot on your Mac. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open Safari or any browser on your Mac. And now go to the official website copilot.money. Press on enter button. And now you will see an interface like this. On the home page, scroll down a bit and here you will see an option Download. Click on it. Now click again on this Download for Mac button. Now click on this Allow button and then this file is going to be downloaded. Here you can see that the file is downloading. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder or normally double click on the file from here. And then you will see an interface like this. Now, normally hold this file and drag it into the Applications folder. And now we have to open the app. To open that, click on your launchpad icon and here find the app Copilot. Click on it to open the app. Now a window will appear and it will say about the security issue. So as we have downloaded it from the internet, so we have to give it a permission. Click on this open button. And that's it. Now normally sign in or create an account using your email or Google or Apple account. Copilot is now installed and ready for your Mac. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.